Good morning everyone, I am Anuradha Mehra and today I am taking the topic that is addition and subtraction of fraction. So in this topic we are having three cases. There are three cases. Number one, if the denominators are same. So first we take an example of this, and my example is 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. So here it is, my first example is that 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. In this question, denominators are same. See the denominator, this is 3 and this one is also 3. And the numerators are 2 and here it is 5. In this, if the denominators are same, so what you will do? You take the common LCM. It's a very simple solution. Take the common LCM 3 and take the numerator as it is. And your answer is 5 plus 2 is 7 upon 3. So this is the simple solution, right? Now another example I will take here, B example, 4 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Now again see here, denominators are same. If the denominators are same, it is very easy to take the LCM. You take the common LCM and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 upon 7. It will cancel, 7 ones are 7, so 1 is your answer. So this is case 1 if the denominators are same. Now my case 2 is, if the denominators are not same and there is no common factor. In between. Means, I will explain with the help of the example. Again I am taking one example. My example is 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Now see here, denominators are not same, as well as there is no connectivity in them, there is no common factor in them. So what you will do in this, no need to take the example. Simply you have to multiply this one, 5 3s are 15 and after that 4 5s are 20 plus 3 2s are 6. This is the second example. In this example, first volume we have done the common LCM, but in that there is no need to take the LCM. Why? Because there is no common factor in between. Both the numbers are the prime numbers. So simply what you will do, you just multiply the denominators. 5 3s are 15 and for the numerator you have to do like this, 4 5s are 20 and 2 3s are 6. So my answer is 26 upon 15. This is my answer, right? Now take another example of that, B part. Again I will take one more example, 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 6. Now here it is again. See, 5 and 6 both are the denominators and there is no common factor in between. 5 and 6 के बीच में कोई भी common factor नहीं है. No table is there in which have 5 or 6. So again what you will do, it's very simple calculation here. Simply what you will do, 6 5s are 30. You just write down, multiply the denominators and here it is, you will do the cross multiplication. 3 6s are 18 and plus 4 5s are 20. So what is the answer here? Your answer is 38 upon 30. Because both the numbers are even numbers, so we can cancel them with 2. So here it is, 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Right? So 19 upon 15 is my answer. This is my second case. Now come to the third case, and my third case is, this is my third case, and in the third case is, if the denominators are not same, and there are common factors in between, right? So what you will do in this, again I will take an example and I will explain my statement. So I will take one example here, 4 upon 5 and plus 3 upon 10. Now see here. Again, the denominators are not same, but there is a common factor here. If there is a common, because 5 and 10 come in the table of 5. So what you will do, you will take an example. Here it is, you will take an example, 5 and 10. You all of you know that how to take the examples here, LCM here. So we will start from 5, 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Again 2 ones are and ones are. So my LCM is 5 twos are 10. So here it is, what you will do in the table of 5 when 10 will come, 2s are. And in the table of 10 when 10 is come, 1s are. So here it is, you will multiply 4 2s are 8 and plus 3 1s are C. So my answer is 11 upon 10. So this is the third case. In the third case, denominators are not same. In the same, denominators are not same, but there is no common factor in between. But again here, denominators are not same, but there is a common factor, and my common factor is 5 here. It's simple. Now see one more example with this. Here it is 6 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14. Now look here. Again look. See, denominators are not same, but there is a common factor in between, right? If the common factor in between, so you will take an example here. So here it is, when we take an example 7 and 14. So here it is, we will use only the prime numbers, right? So here it is 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Again you take a 2 because 2 is also a prime number. So 2 ones are 2. Now here it is, my common factor, my LCM is 7 twos are 14. Now here it is 7 twos are 14. So here denominator is 7. So you will hide 7. So there is 2. It means remaining factor you have to multiply with the numerator. Again 7 twos are 14. If we will hide 7 twos are 14, so remaining number is 1 only. So you will multiply the remaining number with the numerator. This is also the way to find out the numbers, right? So here it is 6 twos are 12 and plus 3 ones are 3. So my answer is 12 plus 3 is 15 upon 14. This is my answer. So here it is. Now this is there are the three cases of the addition. Now come to the subtraction. In the subtraction again we have the same cases. So here what you will do, we are taking the subtraction now. In the subtraction what you will do again you will see the difference. Again here are the three cases in a subtraction also. So in subtraction again in first case if the denominators are same. So what you will do, first my first difference is that if the denominators are same, so again you take an example, again I am taking 4 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3. Now look here, denominators are same. So what is the difference between that addition and the subtraction is, denominators are same but the sign is different because here it is minus sign. So what you will do, if the denominators are same, it's very simple. You will take the common LCM. We have just told you before in addition also. So you take the common LCM, that is 3, and write down the numerator as it is. There is no more calculation over here. It is very simple, and 4 minus 2 is 2 upon 3. This 2 upon 3 is also called the lowest term, or you can say the simplest form, because there is no cancellation over here, right? Now this is my first. Now we will take the another example, B part. Again I am taking 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Now look here all of you. Again I am taking the example of this. Again the denominators are same, or we will change this number. Okay, we will do 6 here, right? Now it will easy for you. Now here it is. Again the denominators are so, without any calculation you just write down the common factor 5, common LCM 5, and numerators you will write down as it is. No more calculations. So what you will do, 6 minus 1 is 5 upon 5, because both the numerator and denominators are same. So you will do the cancellation and your lowest term is 1. So this is my answer. Now come to my second case. In second case, again what is that? There is again a simple question. Again, if I take this example in the subtraction part, so what you will do here? You will take one more example in that if the denominators are same. We have the same statement. If the denominators are not same and there is no common factors in between, so what you will do? See, understand with the help of an example. So my example is 7 upon 3 minus 2 upon 5, right? So see, denominators are 3 and 5. It means there is no connectivity in between. So what you will do, there is no common factor in between. So what you will do, you just multiply the denominators. No need to take the LCM. Simply you will do the 5 3s are 15, and here it is cross multiplication, 7 5s are 35 and minus 2 3s are 6. But remember one thing, if you want to calculate, you will take the first numerator with the denominator, right? You do the cross multiplication with this, 7 5s are 35, and for the second one 2 3s are 6. It's very simple calculation. Subtract these numbers, your answer is 19 upon 15, right? Sorry, 29 upon 15. 29 upon 15 means, is there any, 29 is a prime number, so it will not cancel. So this is my answer. Now come to the next B part. 4 upon 7 minus 2 upon 9. Now see again, denominators are 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 are the, is there any common factors? No, there is no common factor. It's a second case. So what you will do, you just multiply the denominators. No need to take the LCM. So 7 9s are 63. Now for the numerator, you will do the cross multiplication. 4 7s are 28 and minus 7 2s are 14. So what you will do in this, you just subtract this number. So here it is, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 63. Now see, 60, 14 and 63, is there any cancellation in between? Yes, 14 will come in the table of 7 and 63 also come in this number in the table of 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 9s are 63. So this is your lowest term, or you can say that this is your simplest form, right? Now come to the next, my third case. And my third case is, again I am writing here, my third case is if the denominators are not same but there is a common factor in between. So what you will do in this? So here it is, you will take an example. My third case is if the denominator my denominator is not same and there are common factors in between. So what you will do again, you see the example A. So again here it is 2 upon 9 minus 3 upon 6. Now all of you look here. Here it is 2 upon 9 and 3 upon 6. So what you will do, 9 and 6. So 9 and 6 is a number in which what you will do, you take an example, because there is a common there is a common factor, that is 3. Because in the table of 3, 9 as well as 6, both the numbers will come. So for this you will take an LCM. So here it is 3 say 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Again 3 1s are 3 and 2, and here it is 2 1s and 1s are. So what is my LCM here? 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. So what you will do, the technique is that if you are having, because these are the very small number, but if you are having a bigger number from this, so what you will do, here it is denominator is 9, you just hide the 9. What is left? Only 2. So it means 2 will multiply with the numerator. And in the second part, if there is 6, so you will hide 3 2s are 6. So what is left? 3. So you will write down this factor 3 with the numerator. Now you will get the answer. 2 2s are 4 and minus 3 3s are 9. So what is your answer? When you subtract this number, you will get the answer in integer. So 9 minus 4 is minus 5 upon 18. So this is my answer. So here are the two cases, here are the three cases of addition and subtraction. That's it. Not in multiplication and division, because when you multiply and divide, this is the different method. But when you are doing addition and subtraction, we are having same method, but the difference is that there is the difference of sign. In the plus you will use the addition sign, in the subtraction you will use the minus sign, and three cases are followed in both the operations. Okay, thank you.